Wait till the light just shining on it. This a Hellcat? The Hellkeezy?
Eat again.
It's a V6, but hey, who am I to judge? We got Slater, the most badass, signed up for us in Atlanta right now. If I was a front wheel drive boy, you know what I'm saying, I'd cop a top car. I got you one to get you one. You ain't got you one, you better get you one, man. Hey, what's up, Tuesday boy, Willie 283. Back with another video. Today, man, today we were at another Atlanta car meet. We had a little small one, ATL shots. We're gonna walk around, see what they got in their bit, and y'all gonna come with me, cause that's what we do at these car meets. In a hot dot Big Mass. Let me show y'all new upgrades Big Mass. So we just got the new, you know what I'm saying, smoke headlights with the new grill. You know what I'm saying? Something slight. Alright, so we got nice, I think it's a 340i, don't get me fucking lying, but we finna go check because if you don't know, you find out type shit. And they de-badged it. Cool, it's a baby M4, so it's a 440i. That nice little Benz motherfucker. Alright, so it's 440i. We got a beautiful Ford Mustang Mach 1. Just bought it from Tennessee, I'm guessing. This right here, y'all don't know nothing about the Mach 1s, man. This is a limited edition Mustang. Mach 1 badges everywhere. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got all the details on it. I'm gonna figure it out one day. Nice little lower Benz. You know, I don't really see people in a Benz for real, but that shit kind of hard. We got a lower GMC right here. Like I said, the meet just got here for real, so we just got down. I might as well get this charger, cause I think he wanna be in the video. So like, you know what I'm saying? Got a nice little charger right here. It's a V6, but hey, who am I to judge? Welcome here, we got the Honda Civic boys. All I gotta say is, it's not about the car, it's about the driver. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, this thing right here is twin turbo. I want to check this one out.
Is it for real?
Put the camera on here.
It's twin turbo?
No, I'm just playing.
Alright.
I got VTEC.
VTEC. Oh, VTEC. Nice little hard body truck. Nice little 5.0.
Eat again.
Oh, what's good?
My new car.
Oh, snap, you got a 5.0? That's crazy.
Yes, sir.
Dang. How you like it so far? Wait, it's supercharged? Crazy. You bought it supercharged?
Yeah.
Crazy. That's insane. So how much is it pushing right now?
700 the wheel.
Crazy.
I got it, threw an exhaust system on it. Hot Licks kit. Supercharger was already on it. I'm about to pulley down and go on corn.
So once you go on corn, we're gonna be pushing like what, 800?
830, 840.
God dang. That's insane. I love
That's
it.
a stock pulley. Once I pulley down, I should be right around 860 to 870.
That's crazy. So what you want to do to it? Like you gonna just do pulley down? That's it? Or are you trying to?
So I ordered a wrap not even like 30 minutes ago.
Crazy.
So I have that planned, and next year I'm going with a giant D1X Pro Charger, which is the biggest one they make.
Crazy. Well, we gotta get a TikTok interview. All right, y'all. So we back at it. I just got an interview with the most insane Mustang ever. This plane's like this big. I'm gonna insert the clip right here. Ain't really no heavy hitters out here for real. We got a Hyundai Genesis Coupe. We got the track edition. You know what I'm saying? I know Cuddy got the Brembo brakes on that bit. We got Slater. Y'all don't know who that is. We got Slater, the most badass. You know what I'm saying? Signed up for us in Atlanta right now. Yeah, he be everywhere. I literally see this nigga everywhere. But he got the craziest one. I just seen a crazy ass video of him getting arrested at Buckhead Bars. He got arrested at Buckhead Bars. I just seen that video. But like I said, I don't see people build Benzes, man. So it's good to see a little Benz out here, man. I like that. But nah, that's fire. I'm not gonna lie. That shit hard. We got a Honda Civic Type R with the carbon hood, man. I'm not gonna lie. If I like, you know what I'm saying? If I was a front wheel drive boy, you know what I'm saying, I'd cop a top car. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. They just clean, they quick around the track. If I buy one, I'll take it to the track instantly, like same day. We got the Super Boys in it, bit. Got you 37 Coupe. Hellcat, right on? Hellcat, wide body Hellcat. You know what's crazy? I've never interviewed a Hellcat. Anytime somebody ever said anything about a Hellcat, bro, everybody go crazy, like insane. Like they whole life just flash for their eyes, you know what I'm saying? Time to go. This a Hellcat, the Hellkeezy. Well, it's supposed to be a badge right there, but it's a badge right here. And the seats, they do have Hellcat seats, so
could just
they dead ass could. But I don't know. Yeah, that's the intake. So this is a Hellcat for sure. And we got beautiful, sexy Mad just sitting here by her lonesome and nobody's noticing it, bro. People do not appreciate good cars these days, man. You can't tell me this not a motherfucking Wait till the light just shining on it. It's out here by its lonely because these folks just can't handle it. They know they can't be next to it. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
We got an M3 over there. I love my Beamers, but I just can't rock it no more. I really can. This is a 2 Series? M235R. I like that. I got you one to get you one. If you ain't got you one, you better get you one, man. Let's see, if I had to drive off of any car at this meet right now, I do want me a lower truck. Oh, this shit kinda hard. I do want me a lower truck, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah.
Way lower.
Yeah. Actually, I'll take one of these joints. Oh, snap. They finna jump us. Yo, if I had to choose a car to take home, I think I'm gonna choose.
I want to choose one.
All right, choose a car to take home.
Well, I didn't look yet. Why is that me? I feel like it's fun in us. If I could take home any car here,
I low-key want this Subaru.
it would be that guy's Zion FRS.
Yeah. I don't know, bro.
Scion.
It is Scion FRS. I don't know, bro. I've always wanted me a WRX STI. So I'm not gonna lie. If I had to take on any car from this car meet, it's gonna either be, yo, nice car, bro.
Yo, thank you.
No problem. It's either gonna be the Subaru or the Honda Civic Type R. Only because I feel like everybody's gonna pick something else, you know what I'm saying? I wanna like take a car to a track. This 5.0 is insane, but I don't know if I take it home. I wanna see this Hellkeezy, the Hellkeezy, yes, the 6.2 liter server. I feel like everybody just knows what a Hellcat is. I don't think I gotta explain it no more. See that? That's all something. Do I gotta explain what a Hellcat is? I don't think I have to anymore. I should do a video about a Hellcat, just, you know what I'm saying? Just because, you know. All right, y'all, we're taking a pit stop to Dunkin' Donuts. We done had a whole crew pull up, you know what I'm saying? We got a nice little IS300. I done seen this on Facebook Marketplace. 350Z, like the wheels on this one for sure. One thing about 350Z, man, you just throw some nice wheels on it, coilovers, that's all you need. You don't need nothing crazy. And all you missing is a little duck wing, duck bill swirl on the back, and that's a clean build. Is it Tome? What is this? This is a Hyundai Veloster N. Bro, I know my cars, bro. I know my cars, bro. I gotta be confident. It's a Hyundai Veloster N. That's what I thought. And we got another 350Z, another 350Z. This a clean Honda Civic. This is how you do a Honda Civic, bro.
Oh my God.
That's all. You ain't gotta do nothing too crazy. Coilovers, front lip. That's it. That's all. Nothing else, man. You supposed to be trying to do too much. I'm trying to tell these folks, you don't need much. We finna go ahead and take a little break type shit. With the red seats, man. Next car I get, I low-key want red good. Might end the video here, might not. I don't know. We gonna see. All right, ready?